Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video, and we're over here at a buddy's house. Actually, we're gonna be installing some parts for his car. I got Max over here. What are we doing today, Chin?
Well, we're now working out because I'm tired. I did that yesterday. We're actually gonna be installing some parts. I'm surprised that Max and Cooper are actually here, to be honest. I got some lower control arms. I got some Grimsby header gaskets because I got a leak in my car. I know I got a leak because there's like a weird ticking noise. So there's gotta be a leak there. Just moving the cars out. This is my super dirty garage.
This is a low-key Supra.
Nah.
Hey, here, my garage, shit. My garage is always dirty.
Dang, so he's got the Verus lower control arms and Grimsby gasket for the headers. You ready, man? Because we'll be working in the blazing sun. Now, if you guys didn't know, Chin drives this beautiful, it's like simple but so beautiful Scion FRS. It's amazing. Like one of my favorite FRSs. And let's not forget our favorite part about the car. That 3180 garage decal though.
End up having to take it off the overpipe right here, and then I gotta replace that gasket anyways.
You think I fucked it up?
Yeah, I feel like I might have fucked it up. I'm like, oh.
Well, we'll see once it gets take it up.
But, yeah. I know how to tighten this up.
All right, so we just got done doing the header gasket, but one leak went to another leak.
Right? Yeah, so looks like I'm gonna have to buy a new overpipe. The stock one, the bolt is like threaded through, so in order to take it out, you gotta take the nut off and then pull it out like this, then you can replace the gasket because it goes through the gasket. My dumb ass loosened the connection where the header and the overpipe hits, and so when I was yanking it, it wasn't straight, and I was like, oh, I'll just keep breaking it off, it'll break off.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. The first bolt was good, or the first nut was good, it came off normal. The second one was the one where I cross-threaded it, so there's a big ass leak.
Well, anyways, what we got going on next, he just got some Verus lower control arms, so we're gonna get that installed. Just gotta get the wheels off, unbolt a couple bolts, and yeah, we'll get the fun started. Because it's always fun with Chin.
No, it's not. It's always one problem after another with me. Yeah, these are not cheap, dude. These are fucking expensive, man.
Like a sticker.
You gotta love Verus products.
It's like $600, dude, for some blower control arms, but I went with these because they're like track tested, and so they put it through a lot of rigorous testing and stuff, so I trust the Verus guys. I used to run one of their rear diffusers until I broke the brackets. That's why it's not on the car anymore. Yeah. I break stuff in my car all the time.
Drivers drive and we break stuff.
Woo!
Oh my god.
Wow, the way they pack this thing is light, dude.
Damn.
What do you say, like,
Dude,
Just two of them. That's two of them.
Dude, it's probably like what, 10 pounds? It's probably 10 pounds.
holy
5 pounds each?
Dude, not even 10 pounds. I have a 10-pound weight right there. You want to compare? That's not 10 pounds.
Dude.
That's easily about
8 pounds.
2
Probably.
pounds.
8
2
pounds.
pounds each. It was about 4 pounds.
I feel like it's 4.
Yeah, 4 pounds.
Yeah, 'cause I have a 5-pound weight too if you want to compare.
Dude.
That thing is light.
Bro, we should do it. Do we got a scale? We should do a scale. Come on.
That's crazy.
That thing is light, dude.
Dude, it is like.
It's lighter than the aftermarket LCAs that I have.
Wait, which ones do you have?
I got the Megan Racing ones.
Oh, nice.
I think
It's the install before the install, man.
Shit.
oh damn.
At least they package you really well.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Ooh.
look at that.
Is it built? It is built, huh?
Yeah, billet aluminum, I think. I chose blue because blue is my favorite color. That's why my car's blue. All the red ones are like freaking sold out. Everyone likes red in this. So that really pops, you know?
Damn, that's crazy. It looks nice though.
Damn.
Hey, my low control arms are blue, so we can be matching.
It is.
Damn.
These are match up with side. You guys with side.
It's fresh.
Happy owner.
Yeah, but I don't really want to install it though.
Oh, that's too cool.
So basically at the moment we're just lining up the Verus LCA with the stock ones just to keep it close to spec. And you know, it's gonna take it to the alignment shop anyways, and they're gonna get everything dialed in properly because we're not smart enough to do that. Let's be real here. Yeah.
Other than that, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Like what, 4 bolts and basically it's like 20-minute job.
That's what I said about the gasket. It'll be like 20 minutes, 3 hours later. Fuck, stuck on that one bolt, dude. It took me like, could not even take it out.
Alright, so we just got one done. Look at that beauty. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward, boy. Just like 4 bolts. Yeah, just 4 bolts. Hardest part, just getting it lined up. Once you get lined up, easy.
So we got one more install on the passenger side. I already got the OEM LCA out. So I mean, look at this hardware. Look at the factory hardware. It's pretty worn out, and that's why they always give us new stuff. He's having the time of his life right now. All right, everybody, so me and Max and Chin got done installing the LCAs on his FRS, and super easy installed. They're like, what, 1 pound lighter than the OEM ones, and it's, yeah, like Max said, they're like 4 bolts. And yeah, they look amazing, honestly. And if you guys didn't know, when you do install aftermarket load control arms, it does drop the car a tiny bit, but not much, honestly. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna cut the video short. I mean, I wish we can give you guys more content, but we're really hungry and we've had one hell of a day. So thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.